I first found out about the giveaway from a customer of mine who I had worked with who thought of me immediately and passed my information on to Inaugural Bath. It's proven to be not too good to be true, but really pretty incredible. The home that we live in is a one-level home and it's accessible to me, which is incredible. But the bathroom has been a challenge since day one, as I'm not able to make a full turn in my wheelchair inside of that bathroom. First thing I did after I found out that I was the winner, called my fiance and I said, hey, look, you know how we probably weren't going to be able to do a bathroom for quite some time? Well, I just found out that we can. The overall experience was super relaxed. There was no stress. They knew what they were doing and they made it happen, and they weren't pushy and they didn't waste anybody's time. So it was just a total transformation of what we had, and a clean, sleek setup. Oh, the shelving. The shelving alone is incredible. I mean, Shelly has lots of shampoos and soaps and things that she needed to store, and plenty of room for everything now. I'm cleaner, man. You know, it's not a chore. It's not a chore anymore. I can easily just roll in and transfer. I don't have to be doing acrobatics to jump over a tub frame to get into the shower. It's safer and smoother for me to just simply take a shower. Honestly, I just want to thank you guys. I mean, this was a really awesome experience, and anybody that wants to know where to get a bathroom install, I know where to send them now.